Waidsum Academy Scratch video. In this video, I'm going to be doing a commented request on how to do an auto roll system. So let's get into it. To do an auto roll system, you need a new sprite called an auto roll. Assuming that you're using this code, it's in my other tutorial. You can find it in the Waidsum Academy channel. This system, it's in part 1. But you're going to create a new sprite, and you're gonna have two costumes. Auto roll off and auto roll on. It's just a text with a background on it. So the first thing we want to do is create a new variable, and this variable is called auto roll. Coming. I'm just gonna delete this. Okay. So this new variable is called auto roll. So we're going to set auto roll to 0 when the green flag is clicked, so that auto roll is always off. It's kind of like binary code for computers. 0 is off and 1 is on. So we're going to make a new function to turn it on and off when the green flag is clicked forever. We're going to drag two if then statements. If when this sprite is clicked, then we're going to next costume. So when we click on the sprite, it will constantly switch between on and off. Now we're going to grab a costume checking function so that it will depict whether it's in the first costume or in the second costume. So costume number is equal to 1. So costume number is equal to 1 is this is the first costume. So if costume number is equal to 1, so when the green flag is clicked and the costume number is equal to 1, then what we wanted to do is set auto roll to 0, because as we can see here, this is off and auto roll is 0, so it means off, like binary code. 0 is off and 1 is on. And then what I'm going to do is just right click and duplicate this, and then I'm going to set it to 2, so if it's the second costume, this one, it's on. So if costume number is equal to 2, it should set the auto roll to 1. And just like that, we have an on and off auto roll system. Alright, so now if auto roll is on, basically this little function right here, costume number is equal to 2, set auto roll to 1. What we wanted to do is use our broadcasted function, and it should broadcast if when I receive roll, broadcast roll, and when it receives it from here, it can do the RNG picking and stuff like that. And so when this happens, basically it will broadcast roll, and we will be able to start, RNGing and all that stuff. And then we're going to do wait 1 second, and before it be so that 2 seconds actually, before it broadcasts another roll. So you'll see why in a second I say 2 seconds. And so we're gonna head over here, and I didn't show this in the last tutorial, but basically I created a new costume and I called it RNG, aka like the rolling format. So in like specific games like Soul RNG or stuff like that, it shows a rolling GUI before it displays. So in the last tutorial, basically the code was like this. So basically, when I receive roll, before it picks any costume and calls out what odds we get, it should switch costume to the RNG, and then it should wait 1 second. Then it can pick. After the next second, because it's wait 2 seconds, this is wait 1 second. So the first second, this goes by, it selects. The next second, it resends the function, and it sends for another roll. So if we try this, auto roll is on, and now we should experience the roll. There we go, we got 2 rolling, we got 2 again, rolling, we got 8 rolling, we got 2 rolling. So yeah, you can customize this, make it more clean, make it more well designed, because this is just for tutorial purpose. Yours should look way better, and make the buttons look better. So yeah, that's all. That's how to make a custom rolling system, an auto roll system in Scratch. So if you enjoyed this tutorial and it helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe to the Waidsum Academy channel for more Scratch tutorials like this. And I hope this helped with the comments requesting on how to make an auto roll system in Scratch. It's really simple, really easy. I feel like this is the easiest way you can make an auto roll system in Scratch. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next Waidsum Academy video. Goodbye.